Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another special video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can post comments on YouTube video using this Python script. You can post many comments. The YouTube comment policies are quietly different. Everybody is allowed to post unless and until a person who is spamming. This is my basically a Fiverr project, and I have developed this project for my client, and I think it's the right time for me to share upload a video into my channel. So no more time wasting, let's get back to business. So I'm gonna open this. uh, this is my folder, and these are the old files. I'm going to delete this, and basically these are my comment keywords. I'm going to target this keywords. So and these are the comments to post, and the comments are very few. It's just a demonstration for understanding the bot is working well. And I'm gonna simply run this program from a Visual Studio Code I have developed, and here is it. Okay, so most important thing, in the next video I've also upload a new video related to how this bot work, and how I build this bot, the complete source code explanation. Don't worry about that. So I'm gonna run this. It may take some time. Wait a minute. Yes. So it opened youtube.com, writing skills tutorials. It select the keyword from a file, and it's open the videos tab. So these are the videos it scrapped. I've basically sliced to 1000 comments to 5 comments just to show you the video demonstration, because I've only 10-minute subscription for my Bandicam. I can't shoot more than 10 minutes videos related to the software demo videos, especially the bot videos. So it may require 20-30 minutes recording, but don't worry, it auto login to email account. And
do you want to take the IELTS exam? Or maybe you just want to improve your English writing skill? It doesn't matter. If you want to improve your English writing skill dramatically, watch this video to the end. Hello, my name is Maddie from POC English.
Don't skip ahead here. Skip ahead here to your dream school with the Duolingo English test. Get your language score in just 2 days and complete your college application before the deadline in less time with less stress. Take the Duolingo English test online today and start your journey abroad.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। गुलाम अब्बास, हैंड राइटिंग ट्रेनर। आज आपको मार्कर का बहुत खूबसूरत असूल बताने वाला हूं, उर्दू में भी इंग्लिश में भी। देखिए 3 मिनट के अंदर आपको मार्कर इस्तेमाल करने का तरीका आ जाएगा। देखें ये इंग्लिश का तरीका है। ये एक बड़ा कोना होता है मार्कर का और एक छोटा होता है। आपने देखे मैंने आपके सामने बड़ा मार्कर लाया हूं ताकि आपको दुश्वारी ना हो।
You're watching Kiddos World TV. Hi kiddos, let's learn how to write the letter A. Slant down, Slant down. Across.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अजान आर्ट्स। तो आज हमारा फर्स्ट लेसन है जिसमें हम सीखेंगे कि हाउ टू यूज़ कट मार्कर्स। तो सबसे जो बड़ी गलती लोग करते हैं वो गलती ये है कि उनको कट मार्कर्स पकड़ने नहीं आते कि कट मार्कर को पकड़ना कैसे है। तो जब आपको कट मार्कर पकड़ना ही नहीं आएगा तो ज़ाहिर सी बात है देन आप उसको यूज़ कैसे करेंगे अच्छे से। तो सबसे पहला काम है वो आपको कट मार्कर को
So I will explain. This is the entire process, and the YouTube comment history was tracked in the Excel file. Let's check how many comment is post by this part, and it shows me the 4 comments because I've only set the filter of 5 comments, 4 comments. It's nearly equivalent. So these are the username I've set in the account CSV file. So this is the entire video related to the bot demonstration, how you can post comments on YouTube videos. I hope it will be the nice choice if you want to run this bot for posting comments on YouTube video. A great source for organic traffic onto your YouTube channel or any thing. So I hope you really enjoyed this videos. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.